Have you ever been puzzled by a piece of code that just doesn't seem to work as expected? If you've ever encountered the statement RI plus in C or C++, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the behavior of this statement and why it can lead to undefined behavior. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your code doesn't behave as you expect. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced similar issues with undefined behavior in C and C++. Let's explore this together. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why does the statement RI equals I++ invoke undefined behavior, while I equals I plus 1 does not? This is a great question and one that many programmers wonder about. To understand this, we need to look at how C and C++ handle expressions and side effects. The statement RI equals I plus modifies the variable I while also trying to read it in the same expression, leading to undefined behavior. On the other hand, I equals I plus 1 is straightforward and does not cause any conflicts. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip on how to avoid undefined behavior in your code altogether. To understand the behavior of the statement RI equals I++, we need to look at how the increment operator works in C and C++. The user should know that this statement can lead to undefined behavior because it modifies the variable I and accesses it at the same time. In contrast, the statement I equals I plus 1 does not invoke undefined behavior. This is because it simply updates the value of I without any simultaneous access to it. To illustrate this further, let's consider an example. If the user has an array and they want to assign values to it using a loop, they should avoid using the post-increment operator in the index. Lastly, the user should always be cautious with expressions that modify and access the same variable. This practice helps prevent undefined behavior and ensures code reliability. Fun fact, did you know that undefined behavior can lead to some of the most bizarre bugs? Sometimes your code might seem to work perfectly until it suddenly crashes. It's like a game of Russian roulette with your code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In this alternative approach, the user explains that the statement RI equals I plus can lead to undefined behavior because it's unclear whether RI or I plus is evaluated first. This ambiguity can result in different values being stored in the array. In contrast, the statement I equals I plus 1 is straightforward. The language reads I first, calculates I plus 1, and stores the result without changing I. This ensures that the operation is predictable and does not invoke undefined behavior. Here's the tip I promised. Always write clear and separate statements to avoid undefined behavior. This simple habit can save you countless hours of debugging. And there you have it. Understanding the behavior of these statements can make a huge difference in your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!